What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Sunday. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. Today I'm going to take you on a first clean on a construction house. This is the first time I'm doing it. I'm going to take you on a live canvassing, a live estimate, and a live clean. I'm canvassing the job. I'm going to put in the estimate. I'm going to call the lady on the phone. And then I'm going to actually do it all in one day. How about that? How many people can say that they can do that or have done that before? I mean, it's no big deal. But it's still, I would like to know. I'd like to hear your story. But I thought I had some help on this job. I had called up old Patty, and she was supposed to meet me at the diner this morning at 5:45. But she never showed up. But I'm not surprised because she did that to me another time. So I don't never, after, dealing with so many times, I always prepare myself to work by myself. So I ended up canceling a couple of jobs. So in a way, I actually lost money. Yes and no. I don't have to pay her, but, I'm not going to accomplish as much as I thought I would. So I'm just going to do the house, and I'll do those other two restaurants another day, But I'd rather get this house money first, because I could be there all day, not have to go anywhere. It's just a little different change of scenery from doing route work all the time, which is good. This is what you want. You want a little variety in your business, so you don't get too used to one thing or tired of one thing. Money sometimes has a funny way of knocking at your door, and you gotta be ready to get it. That's all I'm saying. And she needed this done, so I'm ready to go and get it. I put my work off on hold, to go and get this money. There's no one in the house. It's vacant. But I'm going to tell her I'm on my way over there to take a look at it. I don't know if she's going to meet me there or what's going on. But hold on. I'm going to my office. For now, this is my office. This is where all my equipment is, work-related, business-related. A lot of people do it. Leave a comment below and let me know, do you have a storage space that you're using to hold all your business equipment and that you're using it as a home-based office? Or something to that nature. It'd be interesting to see exactly what some of you guys are doing with your business. Or, see, also other people will hear this. Well, not hear it, but they'll read it. You know what I mean? Because this will give some people ideas. You can't think to ask everything, but when you see comments related to questions that I may be asking, some other people can get other ideas. Okay, well, this guy's doing this. It must be working out for him, so let me try it, We all got to learn from others so that we know what not to do and what to do. If we never approach it ourselves, a lot of us will find out the hard way. But if you can avoid that burden of learning the hard way, why not skip it and go right to the good stuff? You know what I mean? the stuff that works. All right, so I'll see you guys at the house. I got to get my wet dry vac, so I imagine the seals are very, very dusty. Here. Man, I'm not doing this house today. She got mad storms. Then if you look over here, she got storms in all the windows. Then she got these sections. And then you got this big storm right here. I can move that by myself, but I prefer not to. I just prefer to have help on this job. Because I would have to start real early. And today, I am not prepared to do this by myself. I was under the impression this was a fairly easy job. All right, I had to delete some stuff. But there's storms all around here. So I think I'm going to try and post this video. At least the ledges aren't as dusty as I thought. I'm going to try and post this video and wait to see what some of you say about on what you would charge for this house. So let's count this up together. All the windows seem to be alike. We got 4 of those little slit windows on each and every glass. So, and then we got to add the storms in. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times 4, that's 24 windows. Plus the storms. 24, 26, 28. I'm going to do the windows first. I'm going to do the window count first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Plus, I want her to know the price before I actually do it. 8, 9. This is the only window that's different. 9. Let's see if we can get around back. 10. Man, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15. All right, so we got 64 of the little slit windows, including those, which are different. So we're going to count the storms. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60. All right, so it's 60 storms. Now, I'm going for about $2 a storm. So, you know, you're talking about $120 there. Plus, I counted up 64 of those slit windows. So I'm probably going to see that as about $380 something. So let's calculate that. 380, 480. So let's say $500. I doubt if she'll go for that, but leave a comment in the description below, and you tell me what this job is worth to y'all. 60 storms and 60 regular windows. Now keep in mind also, you got to factor in that this is not a first time customer. I've been doing business with this customer, and they like me, you know, and they said my price is always fair, so she's not worried about that. But keep in mind, there's still more business to come out of these people and referrals. So we got to also keep that in mind. You know, I tend to cut those kinds of people a little break, per se, sometimes, you know. But it's not an easy job because they're old windows, you know. They don't fold in. Not that that's a big deal, because it ain't really that high. And I don't think I'll be water fed poling these. I think I'm gonna do this traditionally with a pole. Yeah, I think that'll be my best way. And I'll just have to take my time. This is a time-consuming house. You can't just fly through this house. So leave a comment below and let me know what your price is for this job if I wanted to hire you. Now, I gave you the description. We walked around the house. You saw the job. You assessed it properly. Let's all see if we're on the same page here. I'm going to hire you. That's right, you. I'm going to hire you to do this job. Give me your price. Macka-fracka-lacka. Peace, peace, peace. I'll see you in video 2 if I get the job. I already got the job, but once I tell her the price, it may scare her. So, Macka-fracka. Peace, peace, peace.